Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm super excited because I just got the Arteza pre-mixed pouring paint. So this is, there are 32 bottles in here, but they have 3 extra whites and 1 extra black. So it's 28 colors total, 32 bottles. These are the little 2-ounce bottles, kind of like you get in the craft paint and stuff. But they have literally every color in here, like some more unique colors. They're not just kind of the basics. They've got neons. It looks like, you know, 3 or 4 different yellows, different pinks, all that stuff. So it's super exciting. We're going to try these out. I've seen people making some pretty darn cool videos with these. I'm going to do my usual experimenting with, I'm going to do a flip cup first, and then I'll do another video with a tree ring, because that's kind of my test for new colors to see how they react and how they create cells and lines and all that stuff. So in this video, we're doing the flip cup. Alright, so the colors we're using today are the titanium white, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, and forest green. So it's going to be a blue-green kind of painting. This is a 9x12 canvas, and we're just going to go ahead and see how this goes. So these seem kind of watery, but not too watery. Definitely a little bit thinner, I think, than my usual pouring paints, but not too thin. So I think this is going to be pretty exciting. And already I'm loving these colors. You can tell that they are pretty pigmented. And I have seen some people say, oh, the bottles are just too small, which I get, but also you're getting 28 different colors. So it may be actually really good to kind of get out of your comfort zone and try different colors. Because I'll be going through this whole kit, like all the colors in here. And I'm glad that they include extra white and black, because obviously we tend to generally go through quite a bit of white. I'm going to use basically this entire bottle of white on this one. These are 2-ounce bottles, so that's 2 ounces of white out of my 6 ounces of paint here, basically. All right, that should be good. Already the cup is looking amazing. Do a close-up on the cup. Yeah. All right, so like I said, we're going to flip cup this one. Okay, as usual, I'm going to let that sit for a bit just to settle in the cup itself, and then we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So I'm definitely already loving this. And I didn't put any silicone or anything in here. So let's go ahead and we'll see. Yeah, this does definitely seem a little bit more liquidy than my usual mix, but not to the point where it's a problem. I see some cells popping up already. All right, we're gonna leave it at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and, as usual, we'll let it sit for a bit to see what develops. You can see right now some cells kind of popping up through there, which is awesome on its own without silicone or anything that's happening. And so we'll be right back for our close-up. Okay, we're back. So not too much has changed. Moved around a little bit. Not a lot of cells. Still super pretty. Loving the colors. Let's do our close-up. So this is the lower right-hand corner. Going up to the upper right-hand corner. I love these stripes of white throughout there. So upper left-hand corner, got a nice wave in here. Lower left-hand corner. There we go. Okay, so that's the first experiment. Stay tuned because I'm going to come back in a couple days and show you how this is dry, because I'm curious if it dries glossy, if more cells develop, etc. So don't turn off the video just yet. But also down in the comments, I would love to know if you have tried this paint already and what you think of it. And also if you haven't tried it yet and want to try it, look down in the description. There'll be a link to purchase it, also with a discount code. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're back and it's all dry. It is definitely glossier than the Floetrol and Artist Loft mixture I normally use. Let's go ahead and do a quick close-up. It also seems a bit thicker on the canvas, which is cool. I did not notice really any more developing in terms of like cells and whatnot. I really like this little cell over here. But did get some cells. It was very easy to work with. Colors are nice and vibrant. Got really good lines, etc. So my initial vote on this stuff is I am a fan, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to try it with a tree ring technique next. And then also I'm going to give it a go with some silicone and see what that does. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Let me know if you've tried the Arteza premix paints and what you think of them. And once again, if you want to try them, there's a coupon code down in the description with the link. I'll see you next time.